रूल का बच्चा क्या मांगे?
बीसी तेरा इस्तीफा,
रूल का बच्चा क्या मांगे?
बीसी तेरा इस्तीफा,
रूल का बच्चा क्या मांगे?
बीसी तेरा इस्तीफा।
Students of Rajiv Gandhi National University of Law (RGNUL) located in Patiala, Punjab are on their 7th day of protest. And this is what we are going to discuss in today's episode of Straight Up by edX Live with me, Seema Rajpal. It all started on the fateful evening of September 22nd, when RGNUL's Vice Chancellor Professor Jai Shankar Singh entered the girls' hostel for a surprise inspection. He also passed remarks like, "Aapne shorts kyun pehni hai?" which translates to, "Why are you wearing shorts?" This was in complete violation of the right to privacy and consent of the girl students. Since then, students have been on sit-in protest, demanding the resignation of the VC. Talks between the students and administration have failed. Though classes commenced yesterday, the students boycotted it. Firm is the law students' determination for justice, especially after Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann contacted them, assuring them of action. Even Raj Lalli Gill, chairperson Punjab State Commission for Women, visited the campus. Also, letters have been written, including to the President of India, regarding the protest and the VC's remarks. When contacted, here's what a student had to share about their ordeal and protest.
So on 22nd of September, VC sir had entered inside the girls' hostel premises. Now the VC of Vice Chancellor of our university is not empowered to do so, and our chief warden had no information about the same either. It was after the VC entered the rooms of first and the third year students. We asked, all the girls asked the chief warden if she had any idea of the same, and she said that she was at her home when the guards called her and informed her about this event. So of course the girls were very agitated. So every batch from the first year till first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and even the LLM batch, all of them are protesting currently. We have even consensus of the same among all the batches that they will be constantly protesting. We have slots for the same, so some students sit all throughout the day and sleep at night, whereas some wake up the entire night and sleep all throughout the day. All the batches have this consensus now that they would not be attending the classes, and they have boycotted all the classes. So now that they have done that, we are still tabling our only demand that we have kept since the beginning of this protest, and that is the resignation of the Vice Chancellor. And for that, what we demand currently is setting up of an external inquiry committee who can look into this aspect. There's a terrible heat stroke in summers, especially in Punjab, and we've been facing that. People have fallen down sick because of that. There are people, some students are having panic attacks, others are down with fever. On top of that, the administration has not been complacent with our needs at all. They locked the gates of our administration hall where we can access water and washrooms as well. The media has not been allowed to enter inside the hostel our college premises and interview the students. They've been doing it from outside the university gate. However, when the Vice Chancellor gave his testimonials to the media, they were inside his house. Regard to food and water as well, everything is being provided by the student committee itself. Our alumni have helped us a lot in all of this. They provided us with water and they provided us with food. We had arranged a tent for ourselves due to rains a few days ago. When the students were still protesting, they relocated to a different place. The tents were taken down, and since then, the university has not let the students basically put up tents again. This morning only we got a clarification from an retired IPS officer who came to college to listen to our grievances that the tent will be set up again. But these are some of the problems that we've been facing as students, and the college has been doing everything to hinder our right to protest.
That's all we have for you today. We will see you again soon. Don't forget to mask up and stay safe.